Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shehbaz here. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the compute variable in SPSS. I will explain every calculation step by step so even beginners can easily follow the complete procedure. Compute variable method saves time, reduces calculation errors, and helps researchers prepare accurate data for statistical analysis. Please watch the video until the end because I will explain several practical examples that you can apply directly to your own data. If you want to master SPSS through easy and practical lectures, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss an upcoming video. Now, let us make a video. Okay, so first of all, we need to learn why do we compute the variables. So I will explain here. First of all, I will explain what is latent, observed, and overall variables. So latent variables can't be observed with a single measurement. For example, attitude, we have one variable, attitude. So under this variable, we have four statements. Like we can say we can't see attitude directly, we infer it from several questionnaire statements. So these are four statements. First one, question one is using SPSS is useful. SPSS improves my work. I enjoy using SPSS. I intend to continue SPSS. So these are four questions under attitude. So it means these are observed indicators of attitude variable. Okay, so if we receive Likert rating on question 1 as 4 and question 2 as 5, question 3 as 3 and question 4 as 4. So total overall attitude is 16. We have summed it and it makes 16. Now we will take mean by dividing 16 by 4 because there are 4 questions. So we obtained 4 as a mean of 4 survey questions. So this is a process in SPSS. We will practically do it overall. So we get by getting this mean, we get an overall attitude variable, right? So it means latent variable, the theoretical concept, attitude toward SPSS, because there were 4 survey questions. This is overall variable, the calculated one, because we have obtained mean as 4. So this is overall attitude score. So now we go to SPSS data and we can observe there are multiple survey questions and survey instruments under each main variable. You can see this one, this one, this one. So we need to see which statements represent overall variable. So if we see these 4 statements GEI 1, 2, 3 and 4, we go to survey questionnaire so that we can get the idea easily. So we identified that we have 4 survey questions, 4 items like GEI. It means green imply involvement. So this is a overall variable, but this variable has 4 question statements. So it means we will compute the green imply involvement by computing all these 4 items by taking mean. Then we will be able to get a overall mean score. So we come back to SPSS data. we go to transform, compute variable, then we will name the variable. What does it mean? GEI, green imply involvement. Now you will go to numeric expression, put bracket and put all the survey items under this bracket with plus sign. Like if you find that where are green employment involvement survey items, this one. Drop 1, then add. Drop 2, then add. Drop 3, then add. And last one is GEI 4. So we have 4 survey items. So it means we will divide by 4. Divide by 4. So we will click on OK. Now we have successfully computed the overall variable named green imply involvement. Right? So we do the same with second variable. Okay, we can see that there is second variable GCR. There are 4 survey items, 4 survey statements. So we go to survey questionnaire and we can see GCR mean green compensation and reward. So we do the same, we compute variable, like we go to transform and we put here green compensation and reward. We put bracket and then drop all survey questions about green compensation and reward. This one add, 2 add, 3 then add, then 4. So it means we have put all 4 survey items and then we will divide by 4. Divide by 4. We will click on OK. So we have successfully computed the second variable. You can see here. So in this way we can calculate the number of survey items to make overall variable.